get a chance to win 10,000 pesos if you dine dito sa SPUDelicious Jacket Potato.
Kaya kung gusto mo malaman paano, tapusin yung video.
Let's go! Babo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yeah, so for today's vlog, another discovery ang pupuntahan natin dito sa may Street Food Avenue, dito sa may Angeles City. And tingnan nyo sa likod natin.
So yun guys, you're gonna get a really premium dish for a very cheap. Actually, mga dishes natin dito starts at 149 pesos.
Yes, so, ang pinakamahal lang naman nila is 189 pesos.
Actually,
pero
that's for the large.
Ang dami na.
Yeah, so ayun guys, we're gonna get into the details. Papakita namin sa inyo guys ano yung mga sinaserve nila dito, and for sure, maglalaway kayo dito.
Yes. If you want to know more about that, samahan nyo kami sa tara. Let's go! Alright!
So eto nga yun guys, this is what they prepared for us. Actually,
Yes.
they have more than this. Ilan ba yun? Mga 8
Actually,
or 9?
meron silang 8 flavors,
8 flavors.
of SPUDs. SPUD came from the land of England.
Yes.
Na dinala dito sa Philippines. And ito yun.
Okay, and they prepared for us
6.
6.
Yes.
Whoa! Okay, and then sa sizes naman, they have 2.
Two,
Yung
yes.
medium at saka yung large.
Large. So, kung makikita nyo naman yung difference, ito yung medium and ito yung large naman. Approximately, nasa 300 grams pataas.
And I can imagine, Mark, kaninang piniprepare yung mga dishes natin. Sobrang overload.
Yes,
Sobrang
actually.
overload ng
So,
mga-
pag binuha nyo ito, feeling ko nasa kalahati na rin eh.
I agree.
Ang bigat.
I agree. Okay, so what do we have? Ano yung mga flavors
So,
natin?
on our table, syempre, sinerve nila yung mga bestseller nila. So, what we have here, so meron tayong SPUDobo, SPUDisig, which is SPUD and sisig.
Pampanga, di ba?
Yes. Meron din tayo kanilang SPUDarne.
SPUDarne, which is
silicone carne.
Silicone
Siyempre,
carne.
with the spuds na potato.
Okay.
For our medium size naman, meron tayo dito yung kanilang SPUDent.
SPUDent.
Yes.
Okay.
Which is good for, ano sabi nila, good for student. Na meron siyang chicken, malunggay, and mushroom.
There you go.
Yan. So, syempre, di mawala dyan yung SPUDthai and yung kanilang SPUDiterranean.
Which is non-meat.
Which is good for vegetarian.
Good for vegetarian. On the side, guys, meron din silang drinks dito.
Yes.
And they also have a dedicated space for you to dine dito po sa SPUDelicious. Anyway, so we're gonna taste them. Taste them. So, ano yung unang kakainin mo po?
Ako, actually, kung titingnan nyo sila, parang pare-pares na lang eh.
Yes.
So, hulaan na lang kung anong unang malalasahan.
Okay, tingnan na natin to.
Okay, so sabi nila, para mas masarap yung kain nyo, kainin nyo pati yung balat. Which is, sabi nila na meron din lasa yung balat. So, this one. Sarap nga naman.
So, the way they cook yung mga potatoes po dito is they bake it. So, they have an oven that bakes the potato. Other spuds po, they serve it as parang steamed. Difference nun, so yung pinakabalat niya naaalis yung yung flavor. So for this one, it's oven. It's cooked with oven. So yung flavoring dun sa skin nare-retain. Chop. Okay, so now guys, trying out their adobo. Kagandaan pala dito, so since si SPUD is coming from England, no? European, ganyan. Gusto nilang infuse sa mga Filipino and a little bit of Asian, not just the England way. So this one is their adobo, and I've heard meron sila dito tinatawag signature sauce. So it's a beer roasted cheese sauce. Lahat ng mga SPUDs natin right, ibaga natin itong adobo. Kanina, binigyan natin sila ng pahapyaw. They have a chance to win 10,000 pesos. Paano nila magkakapanan niya, bro?
Yes, para manalo kayo or magka-chance kayo manalo ng 10,000 pesos. First of all, syempre, kailangan nyo mag-dine in dito. At least one lang nagkakaroon na kayong ticket. And
diba?
syempre, yung other mechanics, tignan nyo na lang sa fan page nila.
So starting November, mamimigay po sila ng 1 grand winner ng 10,000 pesos. And 10 naman na tigo 1,000 pesos. So imagine guys, nakakain na kayo dito ng masarap na pagkain. And you still have a chance to win those prizes.
Yes, so kung kayo naman naghahanap ng mga ganito, well, ano ba yung mga favorite mo or top 3 mong sa mga SPUDs natin?
Yeah, so ako guys, nagustuhan ko dito yung kanilang sisig, yung kanilang adobo, and lastly, yung SPUDthai. So, napakakakaiba sa akin yun. And at the same time, yung cheese sobrang malasa.
Yes, ako naman yung kanilang sisig, adobo, and yung kanilang SPUDent.
Wow! So, parang isa lang yung nagbago dun, ah.
Yeah, yung SPUDent, which is meron siyang chicken, malunggay, and mushroom.
So, yun yung nagustuhan. Yes. Wow! So, ayun guys, make sure to check this out. You have a lot of options dito. Brother, what's our business information?
Yeah, so si SPUDelicious Jacket Potatoes located sa my street food along Rizal Extension, Angeles City. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, malapit siya dito sa may Sandra Mall. And they're open from 4 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m. every day.
Every day. So, ayun guys, like I said, you have so much options dito pa sa lugar na to, but make sure you check it out. You gotta try si SPUDelicious po. So, ayun guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery,
Peace out. Bye guys.